Maharashtra Chief Minister plays down BJP's Delhi debacle, says Prime Minister hasn't lost. US Secretary of Treasury Jack Lew says India and the United States share important partnership and strong economic and personal ties. Thank you, Nancy. Good evening and welcome to Metro Scan from Mumbai. I am Mamta Bhatt and now the news in details. Reacting on Uddhav Thackeray, Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis today said that winning and losing are part of the electoral battle and this outcome should not be seen as verdict on Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He was speaking at a Maharashtra Police Academy in Nashik. Fadnavis said Sena has been their long-time associate and as an able coalition partner. It should be together in good times and bad. Meanwhile, Sena Chief Uddhav Thackeray has said yesterday that it would not be wrong to call the result a defeat for Narendra Modi. And US Secretary of Treasury Jack Lew met Indian business leaders today in Mumbai. In his opening remarks at Indian Business Council roundtable organized by CII, he said India and the United States have an important partnership and both share strong economic and personal ties. He also said the growth US is experiencing is good for India, just as growth in India is good for the United States. Later, he added that India and the United States are two important drivers of global growth. Further, he also added that through the economic and financial partnership, US will support India's growth and reform efforts and encourage greater opening of India's economy to US firms. He underlined the importance of these dialogues as an important vehicle for bilateral engagement with India on a range of economic policy issues.
When the President visited earlier this month, he noted that our two business communities have been some of the strongest champions for a closer U.S.-India relationship. And I absolutely agree. The entrepreneurial spirit, vibrant private sectors, and commitment to economic growth and job creation are the cornerstones of the U.S.-India economic relationship.
Maharashtra Industry Minister Subhash Desai today proclaimed that without harming Labour Act, the state government will take a stringent action against labour union leaders who are taking ransom. While addressing an industrial workshop in Sangli district, he said that electricity rates fixed for industrial purpose will be reduced and implemented within a month. He further informed that the number of permissions required for setting up a new industry will be reduced from 25 from the existing 75. And the unseasonal rains have once again wreaked havoc on several parts of the state, destroying the crops. Last evening, Buldana district witnessed severe damage to rabi crops. Farmers of the state are disappointed as they were expecting bumper production this season. Heavy rains with thundering in the district caused fire, due to which 10 shops were completely destroyed. Many villages in Jalgaon, Nashik district and Vidarbha region were badly affected due to the unseasonal rains. In Aurangabad district, the rains completely destroyed the crops and also caused cut in electricity. In order to highlight the need for better diabetic management, the result of national survey titled About Sugar Survey was announced today. As per the findings, 54% of respondents experienced at least one complication because of poor blood sugar control. More than 50% females with diabetes believe that the disease has impacted their personal life, while males believe that it has impacted their professional life due to exhaustion and fatigue. The survey also highlighted the need to drive education to close the gap between understanding of diabetes and better management. The survey was conducted by Abbott, the global healthcare company, and Association of Physicians of India, among 1,500 adults with uncontrolled diabetes, 302 caregivers and 60 doctors in India.
1,500 patients, 300 caregivers and 60 doctors were studied from different metropolitan cities of India, including Mumbai and Pune. and we were trying to find out from these patients, caregivers and doctors, what are the attitudes towards diabetes. And we found out that 90% of diabetics never even knew that they are under control. Most of them were not under control. So first thing is that they need to get their control better. Second is why they were not under control. They were not under control because they were not dieting properly, or they were not exercising properly, or they were not following their medicines properly, or the advice given to them properly. So we need to encourage them, their caregivers and doctors, and motivate them how they can
Suresh
handle their
Prabhu
diabetes.
flagged off LTT Mumbai-Bidar Express yesterday through video remote link. BJP MP Poonam Mahajan was present at the LTT railway station during the flagging off ceremony. LTT Mumbai-Bidar weekly express will depart at 12:05 p.m. every Tuesday and arrive Bidar at 4 a.m. on the next day. In the return direction, Bidar LTT Mumbai weekly express will depart from Bidar at 7:30 a.m. on Wednesday and arrive LTT Mumbai at 11:55 p.m. on the same day, informed Railway PRO. Well, that's it then in this edition of Metro Scan from Mumbai. We'll be back tomorrow evening with more updates from the commercial capital. Till then, it's over to Delhi studios. Thanks for watching. Namaskar.